Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is share with y'all some of the updates that I've made to my advanced bar and lounge business plan template for 2024 using AI. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll zip right through the advanced bar and lounge business plan updates. And from there, we'll wrap it up and sum it up. All right, without further ado, let's go right through it. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. First update that I made to the Advanced Bar and Lounge Business Plan template is I added a logo to the title page. And so the way that I did that is I went to ChatGPT, asked it just for a generic bar and lounge logo, and it provided me this sharp image. So I decided to go ahead and use it. And so now the way that the advanced bar and lounge title page looks is you'll see the advanced bar and lounge right up the top. You'll see the logo, and then underneath business plan. And so, if and when you do purchase this business plan template, all you'll do is just change out this advanced bar and lounge wording, and just put the title of the name of your company, the name of your bar or lounge, and then what it'll read your bar and lounge, whatever the name is. Then it'll have a nice little logo, and this logo right here, you can keep it or you can change it to your own logo. And then underneath is the business. It just says business plan, just to let the reader know what the document is and set their expectations up front. The next item that I updated was the services offered segment, and I did use AI to go ahead and spruce that up. So typically what I'll do for a bar or lounge for a template is I'll just go ahead and put item 1, item 2, item 3, and then all you have to do is just list the different items that you're going to have in your bar or lounge. And so what I decided, I'll go ahead and use AI, and now I've got an introductory statement, or just an introductory sentence just to let the reader know what range or what kind of products or services, what kind of products, beverages, whether it be alcoholic or food, beers or wine, what kind of what kind of food items or drink items you're going to be offering. And so it's just a nice little introductory statement, and then from there you can go ahead and give a detailed itemized menu, again, to give the reader an expectation of what to include in your what's included or what's going to be offered at your bar or lounge. The final piece of information that I updated was the industry research. As we all know, if you're going to write a bar lounge business plan, you want to go ahead and have up-to-date industry research. And so that's what I did. I've got a subscription to IBIS World, and so I went to the subscription, accessed the bar and nightclub industry, and I went ahead and summarized some of the information in there. Some of the information that I updated was revenues for the industry, profits, profit margins, businesses, employment, and typical are industry wages. So all that good information is now up to date for 2024. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.